Hello people, welcome to Office Craft Pro. Today we are going to learn how to create a Google form from the ground up. Whether you are a teacher, a business owner or a student, this tool is a game changer for collecting data effortlessly. By the end of this video, you will be able to build, style and publish your own professional form. Let's dive in. Before we add a single question, let me give you a quick tour of our workspace so you don't feel lost. At the very top left, you have your document title. This is the file name in your Google Drive. Below that is the form header, where you give your survey its public name. Now look at the top right. This is your command center. You will see the Customize Theme palette, the preview icon and the undo redo buttons. In the center, you have three main tabs. Questions, where we build, Responses, where the data comes in, and Settings, where we control the rules of the form. And finally, this floating bar on the right, that's your action toolbar. This is how you add new questions, import questions from other forms, and add images or even embed videos. Let's start at the top. Your form title should be clear and catchy. Underneath it is the description. This is where you explain why you are collecting this information. You can actually use bold, italics, and even insert links directly in the description now. Let me show you how to do it. This is great for adding terms and conditions or instructions for your users. Now for the fun part, making it look professional. Click the Customize Theme icon at the top. First, the header image. You can upload your own brand logo or choose from Google's library. For now, I will choose from Google's library. Once you pick an image, notice how Google automatically suggests theme colors that match your image perfectly. Next, look at the text styles. Google has recently updated this. You can now choose separate font and sizes for three different areas, that is, the header. Use something bold and large here. The next one is the question. Use something clear like Roboto or Arial font type. And the text. This is the font for descriptions and answers. You can adjust the font size here as well. I recommend keeping questions around 12 to 14 point for better readability on mobile devices. Now let's talk about the tools inside your form. Choosing the right question type is the secret to getting clean data. Let's break down the top 5. The first one is short answer. Use this for brief one-line responses. Example, full name or email address. It keeps the form compact and prevents people from writing long stories where you only need a specific fact. The second one is paragraph. This is for long form text. Example can be, please provide your feedback or describe the issue. Unlike short answer, this allows line breaks and multiple sentences, giving users space to express themselves. The third one is multiple choice. The user can pick only one answer from a list. Example, are you attending? Yes or no. It focuses a clear decision and makes your data very easy to turn into a pie chart later. The fourth one is checkboxes. Use this when a user can select more than one option. An example: which topics are you interested in? Tech, art, businesses, etc. It's perfect for select all that apply scenarios where you want to know all the preferences of your user. The fifth one is Dropdown. This is a single select tool just like multiple choice, but it's hidden until clicked. An example can be selecting a state or department. It's a space saver. If you have 20 options, a drop-down keeps your form from looking like a giant messy list. Always look for the required toggle at the bottom. Switch it on for every question that is mandatory. Before we go live, we must check our work. Click the eye icon to preview. This opens a new tab showing exactly what the users will see. If everything looks perfect, close that tab and come back. Now it's time to make the Google form live. Click on the Publish button and you will see the URL. Click on Shorten URL to make it look much cleaner. This is the link you'll share on the WhatsApp, social media or email. There is an embed option available. If you have a website, you can copy this HTML code to put the form directly on your page. And there you have it. You have just gone from a blank screen to a fully styled professional Google form. In our next video, we are going to dive into the advanced features, like how to make your form grade itself and how to use logic to skip questions. If you found this tool helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more Office Craft Pro tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.